Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone considering doing work to their home, snagging. In this video, we'll be covering what snagging is, why snagging is so important, who does the snagging, what the snagging process involves, and what sorts of things snagging includes. First off, what exactly is snagging? Well, snagging is the process of identifying and fixing defects or issues in your home before the construction work is signed off. It's basically a quality control check to ensure everything meets the required standards and your expectations. Why is snagging so important? Well, it's your chance to catch any problems early on, ensuring they're addressed before they become bigger problems and more expensive issues. No matter how skilled your builders, some issues might still slip through the cracks. Think of it as a final polish to make sure everything is just right for you. But who actually does the snagging? Your architect can walk around and prepare your snagging list for you. You can get a professional snagging inspector in. However, these are more for new build properties. You can also try and prepare it yourself. However, having a professional do it ensures that nothing is missed. Now, the snagging process usually involves a thorough inspection of the entire extension and refurbishment works. We would compile a list of any issues found, including a photo library as record of the issues. This in turn creates your snagging list. As mentioned earlier, depending on the size of the project and the quality of builder, this list could be 50 items long or even 500 items long. So what sort of things does snagging include? Paint and plasterwork imperfections might seem minor, but they can really affect the overall look and feel of your new space. Doors and windows need to open and close smoothly. Any sticking or gaps can be both annoying and inefficient. Plumbing issues, even small leaks, can lead to much higher and bigger problems if not addressed immediately. Damaged tiles, whether on the floor or walls, need to be replaced to keep your home looking its best. For a list of things to look out for when snagging your property, we've created a snagging checklist just for you that you can download in the video description or via our website. Once the snag list is compiled, it's given to your builder to address. They'll fix the issues, and then a follow-up inspection might be done to ensure everything has been checked off and properly resolved. Typically, a full snagging list should be compiled and addressed before practical completion of the project. Now, practical completion is a technical term and a definitive moment in any building contract, whereby your contractor has formally finished their work and handed the project over to you as the client. This is also a financial milestone too, so it's really important. Now, what do I mean by a financial milestone? Well, most building contracts include for a retention of payment, which is essentially a payment held back from the builder. This is normally 5% of the contract value, and that 5% is deducted off every invoice from the builder throughout the work. The idea of this retention payment is to incentivize the contractor to finish the works to a satisfactory manner. The 5% only gets paid out after the project is completed. But I said earlier that the snagging process and practical completion is a financial milestone, and this is because half of that 5% retention payment, so 2.5%, is released to the contractor on practical completion. That's why it's so important. The remaining 2.5% is then only paid after the defects period has ended, which is often 3, 6, or 12 months after the completion, when other more latent defects arise, like shrinkage cracks on stairs, ventilation systems not working properly, or water leaks that aren't apparent during the snagging process. We've created a whole other video on the tender and building contract process, so if you want to learn more about what contracts you should have in place, go and check out these in the show notes. And that's snagging. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on home improvement and architectural design.